So we just picked up a pack of LED filament bulbs. These are SD64s, base types E26, 33.7 and 24.8. And we swapped out our old chandelier for this one. Sputnik 8 light chandelier. Looks very, very beautiful next to our wine wall. These are Sorbus wine racks on the marble wall that we've designed. We've installed smoky bulbs. So these are the smoky Edison vintage bulbs with an amber light inside. These are, I believe, 2000K. And then we also have one that we're testing out. This is an LED filament bulb, and this is also an Edison vintage bulb. These are E26 bases, and this one is 6 watts and 3000K light. They come very protected, very protected. I'll show you. So they have a plastic container here. Open it up, and then you've got another little protective piece here, and then here they are. So this is what it looks like. It's a clear transparent bulb with orange amber light. This is a 3000K. You can pick between 2500 all the way to 6000. They also come in base types A27 and B22. They come in the rounded bulbs, the fatty ones, elongated ones. You can get energy from 4 watts all the way to 14 watts LED. Now what do they look like? This is what they look like. This is not right now full light. This is all the way up, so you can see it's doing quite a lot. It's got a lot of brightness, but not too much. Now we're going to test the temperature here. So it's producing 25.1 degrees, which is really okay to the touch. The ones beside it, these are incandescent lights. They look very similar, but this one's incandescent, so it gets super hot. So let's go measure the temperature when it's on the lowest dimness level, and as you can see, I can actually touch it. Okay. So 33, you guys can see, but come on. 33.7 and 24.8. So massive difference when you just dim them. So again, if you want to have them just in atmosphere, you can always have them on a little bit. Let's crank up the light just a tinge. So we are on 30% dimness level, and we're going to see what this is. Now, the reason I'm testing this with a thermal gun is because, again, we've got 8 of these, right? So we don't want to heat up this space too much, especially when you're playing board games or something. So we just want to see what you can expect here. 41.2, and away from it, 25.1. Just show you again. So full. So I'm just going to show you 82.5, 82, 84. Okay, so close to 90. So definitely not something you want to touch. And we are on maximum. Now when you dim them, right, if you were to dim them for an atmospheric look, the transparent ones still look kind of nice, but these amber ones look extremely nice. Not only that, they have this very cool smoky kind of a fade on the bulb. So if you do have the budget, I highly recommend these, because these are so nice. The smoke effect with the amber inside equals gold. And let me just show you, like, you see that's smoky effect, and then that is a transparent. I mean, again, it comes down to the look, but I am telling you, the amber with the smoky effect, very beautiful. Whereas this one is a little plain. So again, you gotta sacrifice the cost for the look. In my opinion, I like this because we don't turn these lights on full blast anyway. Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope this has been helpful.